All right, we're going to take a look at a USB Type C to Type C. We're going to take a look at it. And just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send you. So if you guys ever need something to replace, this is actually a perfect replacement for it and very inexpensive for those that are looking for a Type C to Type C. So let's go ahead and open up and see what you get when you get some of this. So here's the actual cable. And it's actually thicker than other cables. I could feel the actual strength on it. It has a cord, an extensive cord. It stretches out almost 10 to 15 feet on the cable. And then they give you Type C to Type C. So we're going to plug in one in and see how much power we got to transfer to the actual Type C if it goes to do a supercharge for us. So we are going to have a plug it into a supercharge station and see if this is even worth it. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So the maximum we're doing on the actual cable is 9.1. So 9 volts, that's what we're transferring. We're not transferring at 12, we're transferring at 9, but it's decent speeds, to charge your phone. So right now we're at Type C to Type C, and it's working very well. So it's not the full charge that we were looking for, like the 12 volts, but we're getting 9.5, so 9.1, 9.3. You guys can see it in the bottom level right now. And that's pretty much what we have going to this system. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.